Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HS01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HS01 won't close properly, you are not alone. This issue can arise due to a misalignment or wear and tear of the closing mechanism. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further damage, resulting in a more costly repair down the line. To fix this problem, you will need a screwdriver set, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement closing mechanism, which you can find online or at a local store. First, ensure your Dyson HS01 is unplugged and turned off. Carefully use the screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid stripping the screws. Gently lift the back panel away from the device, making sure not to force it. With the panel removed, locate the closing mechanism. It should be easily visible, but if you have trouble finding it, refer to your device's manual for guidance. Once located, examine it for any visible damage or misalignment. If it appears broken, you'll need to extract it. Using your tweezers, carefully disconnect any cables attached to the mechanism, noting their positions for reassembly. Then, remove the screws securing the mechanism in place. Be cautious here, as these screws can be quite small and easy to lose. When replacing the faulty mechanism, ensure the new one is aligned correctly and securely fastened with the screws. Reconnect the cables in their original positions, applying gentle pressure to avoid damaging them. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the back panel, ensuring it fits snugly. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier, making sure they are tightened but not overly so, as this could lead to damage. Finally, plug in your Dyson HS01 and test the closing mechanism to ensure it's functioning properly. If the problem persists, it may be best to consult a professional. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the closing mechanism and ensure no debris is causing obstruction. Additionally, avoid forcing the device closed if it seems resistant, as this can cause further damage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.